moving towards another important topic of viral infection. So let's start it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, which is actually Epstein-Barr virus. It is an acute self-limiting infectious disease. Acute means it is for a very short period of time, self-limiting, that this infection subsides by its own self, and it is infectious mononucleosis. The other name of this disease is this also. The causative agents are either Epstein-Barr virus or human herpes virus 4. Okay, it affects mainly the young adult or children. The oral lesions are common, and oral mucosa have the palatal petechiae. Very important point. Diffuse erythema and uvular edema. Have ulcers, throat infection, tonsillar exudate, tonsillitis, pharyngitis, and gingivitis. The patient has the maculopapular eruption, very important point for skin, and petechial rash. Constitutional symptoms involve fever, malaise, anorexia, myalgia means pain in the muscles, lymphadenopathy, splenomegaly. Patient has liver involvement, CNS involved, renal, pulmonary involvement, and myocarditis. Also, heart involvement. Confirmatory diagnosis is actually by monospot test, which is actually known as Paul Barnard test or heterophil antibody test. Complete blood test means high lymphocytosis. Differential diagnosis: diphtheria, gonococcal stomatitis, streptococcal infection, and herpes simplex. Herpangina, secondary syphilis, leukemia, and phalanto. Treatment is actually bed rest. Symptomatic depends on symptoms. Specialist if there is CNS involved, renal involvement, etc. Give aspirin or acetaminophen. Okay. Warm saline gauge. Steroids in low doses like prednisone 20 mg per day. Antiviral not are very helpful. Coxsackie virus infection, which is actually hand, foot, mouth disease, and herpingina. Very important. Hand, foot, mouth disease means the hands are involved, the foot is involved, and mucosa is involved in this disease. It is also acute endemic viral infection, and cytomegalovirus A16 is less commonly. Type is 510. Then it affects children's school children predominantly, occasionally spread to teachers and also parents. Oral lesions are small ulcers resemble to the minor epistomatitis, few in number, distribute over the most mucosa, small vesicles that actually rupture and having a shallow, painful shallow ulcers surrounded by a red halo. Site is mucosa, tongue, palate. Red macular rash, each macular surrounding a deep-seated vesicles. So each rash is actually macular rash is actually surrounding a deep-seated ulcer. Okay, means it is a ulcer like this, and then it is surrounded by a very macular in surrounded by a deep-seated ulcer vesicle. Sorry. Lateral dorsal surface of fingers are also affected. Toes, palms, soles, buttocks are common sites. Constitutional symptoms are actually low-grade fever for 2 to 3 days and malaise for 5 to 8 days. Diagnosis is basically clinical criteria and serology. Differential diagnosis: Aptis ulcers, herpetiform ulcers, primary herpetogingivitis, secondary herpes, and herpingina. Treatment is actually symptomatic, bed rest for 3 to 4 days, no specific antiviral therapy, soft food, antipyretics, and self-limiting. Herpingina is also an acute infection, which is also the type of Coxsackie virus group A type, and it also have causative organisms, and enterovirus 71 has also been found as a causative agent. Clinical features is sudden fever, headache, malaise, sore throat, and very important dysphagia, difficulty in swallowing. Diffuse erythema, very important point, multiple vesicles formation in oropharynx, soft palate, uvula. Vesicles rupture and having a painful shallow surrounding ulcers. These are ulcers healed by 7 to 8 days. Diagnosis, basically clinical criteria. Differential diagnosis actually primary is a primary herpetogingivitis, Aptis ulcers, FAPA syndrome, acute lymphonodular pharyngitis, gonococcal oropharyngitis, streptococcal oropharyngitis, erythema multiforme, and hand, foot, mouth disease. Okay. Now, treatment is actually self-limiting condition, system corticosteroids, topical and systemic prednisone 10 to 20 milligram per day for 5 to 6 days, analgesics and mouthwashes. For mumps, which is actually paramoxyvirus, mumps Mumps is also an acute self-limiting infectious disease which actually mainly affect the children of 5 to 8 age, 5 to 15 years of age, and it is actually caused by paramoxyvirus. It is actually bilateral swelling of parotoid. It can be also unilateral glandular swelling can occur, and submandibular swelling is less common. Orifice of the stencil duct is usually red, swollen, and patient has fever, malaise, chill, and headache. Trismus and painful, tender to touch means that trismus can also occur in this. Complication is orchitis, pancreatitis, encephalitis, arthritis, and deafness. Diagnosis: isolation of mumps virus, serological examination, serum amylase, and high lymphocytosis. The pressure diagnosis include acute suppurative parotitis, angioedema, calculi in the duct, parotid duct, and drug reaction. Sjogren syndrome, sarcoidosis, HIV, and salivary gland neoplasm. Treatment: mumps vaccine is recommended. Bed rest for 1 week and then isolated. Then the treatment is supportive and referred to specialist. Analgesic, NSAIDs, educate hydration, and systematic steroids.